Hello everyone. So let us solve some questions. So I have taken many of the chapters all together. We'll solve one by one. At least 20 to 25 questions we'll solve. This one, number one question is from the chapter train. So train, what you have to what remember? You have to remember speed equal to distance by time. Here distance is train length. Okay, train length. If there are two train, that means train 1 plus train 2. This is time. Okay, and the units might be given in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, clear na? So you have to see the options also, whether it is meter per second or kilometer per hour. You have to convert it. Like in conversion, what you will do when you'll convert meter kilometer per hour to meter per second, then you have to multiply 5 by 18, and when meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply 18 by 5. How it came, let me show you. Kilometer an hour. So if I convert this kilometer to meter, then I should write here 1000. And same way, if I convert this hour to second, then first of all I'll add 60 minute, then again minute, it will turn to second, then 60 second. If you cut these zeros, what will left out with, like 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6. Here it's 18 and 5. That's why I have multiplied 5 by 18 when I'm converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, and from meter per second to kilometer per hour, it's just reverse it. Okay, let us solve this question. Two trains, each 100-meter long. That means train 1 is 100-meter long and train 2 also 100-meter long. So this is the distance, 100, it will be 200 meter. Say the units carefully. Okay, this is meter. They are moving in opposite direction. Okay, one more concept is there, opposite direction. One train is moving here, one train is moving here. So look, if one train is moving at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour and this at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour, suppose example, then obviously they will meet very fast na. That means what, the time is reducing, the speed they are summing up the speed. Okay, you will sum up the speed when they are in opposite direction. And if in same direction, clear na? Both are having some speeds. So to catch, if this train want to catch this train or overtake this train, so obviously it will require more time than a stationary train. Clear na? So this time you will minus the speed. Here you will plus the speed, here you minus the speed. Okay, so let us solve this. In opposite direction, cross each other in 8 seconds. Okay, so the time is here, time is 8 second. If one is moving twice as fast as the other, then the speed of faster train is, okay, look, let me make some space for this. So here it's written at last that one is moving twice as fast, speed is given, one is moving twice as fast as this. Okay, speed 1, if this is 1 in ratio, and this will be twice of this. Clear na? And no need of time, just you say, you use that formula which I gave you at first, speed equal to distance by time. Here distance is 200 and time is given 8. Here meter per second. Okay, meter per second, if you want to convert this kilometer per hour, you can do it easily. So if I multiply, I'm going to divide this, so it will be 25, 25, yes, 25 meter per second. Clear na? 25 meter per second. Let us convert this to kilometer per hour. If you convert this to kilometer per hour, you can multiply with kilometer per hour na? So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 5 ja 25 and 5 8 ja 40, 4 carry, 5 1 ja 5, 6 8 9. 90 km per hour is the speed of both, because they are crossing each other. Clear na? Opposite direction. So both, that means 1 2 3 unit is 90 km per hour, 1 unit will be 30 km per hour. Or what they have asked, the speed of the faster train. So this is the speed of the faster train, that means 2. So 2 unit will be 60 km per hour. Clear? So the answer will be 60 km per hour, since they have asked the faster train speed. If they would have asked slower train speed, then it would be 30 km per hour. Clear na? This is question number 2 of same chapter, train. Here it's written, two trains running in opposite direction cross a man standing on the platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively. Okay, here written, uh, here it's written this, a man is there, train number 1, it is crossing this man, man is stagnant. Okay, it's not written that man is moving or not. So train 1, it crosses, okay, crosses the man at 27 second, and train 2 from opposite direction, it crosses this man at 17 second respectively. Clear? So look what they works, and they cross each other at 23 second. Now they have not mentioned man. This train 1 and this is train 2, they have crossed each other at 23 second. Okay, so here total distance is train 1, train 2. Clear na? Because they have to cross each other na, unless and until they will cross the backside of this train crosses each other, they won't be said that they are crossing, they have crossed, huh? They are crossing. Now it's crossed. Clear na? Clear na what I'm trying to say you or explain you, huh? So look, the ratio of their speed is, now you have to find the ratio of their speed. That means let this speed be x, and let this speed of this train let be y. Clear? Speed is this one, huh? This is time, huh? Then you know the length of the train. Length of the train, how you will know? Length of the train will be, look, I told you na, speed equal to distance by time. So distance will be speed into time. Distance will be speed into time. So speed into time. Speed into time. So this is the length of train 1. Huh? Train 1 equal to 27x. Train 2 will be 17y. Okay, clear? So these are the length. And I know this, they together they can cross at 23 second. So here also you will apply the same thing, like what do you apply? You have time, that means distance by speed. Okay, so distance is 27x plus 17y, total distance, speed is x plus y, total speed equal to 23. Now just you have to simplify this. Here it's 27x plus 17y, this will be 23x plus 23y. Bring this here, if you bring this here you'll get 4x. I'll write here, huh? 4x, and then you'll get, if you bring this 17 there, you'll get how much, 6y. You can cut this 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, then you'll get x by y equal to 3 by 2, and the ratio of the speed will be 3:2. Clear na? The formulas are easy, but you have to revise it. Next question is from the chapter profit and loss, huh? Let us solve this. Look, profit and loss, how you'll solve, like we have cost price, we have selling price. If cost price is larger than selling price, then it is loss. But if it is like selling price is greater than cost price, then you will be having profit. Then you have profit percentage also, formula like profit percentage will be, profit divided by cp into 100 percentage, and loss percentage will be loss divided by cp into 100 percentage. Remember, always the denominator will be cp. Yeah, And you have some more formulas like discount. Huh. Discount is always on mark price. Mark price is different from cost price. Okay, I'll explain you mark price in the next. No, not this one. Na. I will take one more questions. They will solve the mark price one. Okay, just let us do this one. By selling 100 pencils, a shopkeeper gained the selling price of 20 pencils. His gain person is, look, here it's written that by selling 100 pencils, a shopkeeper gains a profit of 20 pencil, 20 selling price of the pencils. Okay, to make this equation, look, again let me explain you. Like here the shopkeeper sold 100 pencils. Clear? Clear na? 100 pencils, and it's not given the cost price or how many pencils have been sold. Just they have provided that gain is of 20 pencils of selling price. So what I can write, SP equal to CP plus profit. So here SP is given 100 pencils SP, quantity, okay, 100 SP, and CP, if you take 100, obviously you will take 100 CP, but you'll have profit also. So profit is of 20 SP. Clear na? Now you bring this one here because this is SP, this is SP. If you bring here 100 minus 20, it will be 80 SP. Here you will have 100 CP. You can what, cut this 24 ja, 25 ja, you will have SP equal to 5, you will have CP you bring in this denominator, and this 4 you will bring here in this denominator. Clear na? You will have this much, and they have asked the gain percentage. Gain percentage will be, what is the difference? SP minus CP 1. So I told you na, gain percentage will be 1 divided by CP is 4, 1 divided by 4 into 100. That means here it's 25%. Clear na? 25%. Let me explain you once again. Look, here it's written SP of 100 pencils equal to how much is the profit? Profit of 20 pencils of sold price. Clear na? Selling price. And what was the CP? CP is 100 quantity. If you take 100 quantity of pencils. Now you bring this one here, it will be 100 SP minus 20 SP, 80 SP. Here it's 100 CP, cut this 4, cut this 5. Here SP, CP you bring down here, here 5, here 4. Here difference is 1, this is profit. So profit percentage will be profit divided by CP 100 percentage. This is 25. Your answer will be 25 percentage. Let me solve this one. The selling by selling a table for this much instead of this much. Okay, like the person was supposed to sell at 400, but he sold it at CP1, CP2, CP2, but he sold it at this much. Loss person increased by 5%. That means here it was loss, and here more 5% loss. Okay, that means the difference is how much? 50, and this 50 is 5%. Clear na? This 50 is 5%. The cost price of the table, cost price is always how much? Cost price is always 100%. So if 5% is 50, Then 100%, you just multiply 20, you just multiply 20. This is 5 to the 10 and 2 zeros. This will be the answer. Clear na? CP is always 100 percentage. Or same chapter, huh? The dishonest dealer claims to sell his goods at a cost price, but uses a false weight of 900 gram for 1 kg. His gain percent is okay. Like, this shopkeeper has told the customer that I am selling at cost price, but what he did, what how he cheated, he have used 900 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight. That means 1000 gram weight. Clear na? Huh? This difference 100 gram is his profit. Clear na? 100 gram is his profit, but what is the percentage gain? Huh? What you have to do? This is like cost price, this is by selling price. Okay, you cut this, you cut this, you will have 9 and 10, 9 10. What is the difference? 1. Okay, how I told you to find this gain person or profit person? Profit by CP into 100 percentage. This is 100 by 9 percentage, or you can make it to mixed fraction. 9 1 ja 9, again 9 1 ja 9, you'll have 1 by 9%. Pipe and cistern. A pipe A and B can fill a cistern in 6 minutes and 7 minutes respectively. Both the pipe are open alternatively for 1 minute each. In what time will they fill the cistern? Here it's written alternatively. Okay, look, this is pipe A, this is pipe B. Pipe A can fill the cistern. Cistern is like toilet. You have seen that flush na, above that above your pan there is a flush, so that is of cistern type. Okay, so here might be written tank also, sometime it will write tank, huh? Cistern in 6 minutes and B fills it 7 minutes. Take the LCM of both, you'll get 42. This is the total work, this is the time, and you'll get efficiency here. How you'll get efficiency? 6 7 ja 42, 7 6 ja 42. You'll divide this with this, so you'll get this efficiency. Okay, now they have written that both the pipe are open simultaneously for 1 minute each. Let us start from pipe A. Clear? So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, this way. Okay, first A will be open, and then A will be closed, B will be open, again A will be open, B will be open here, A will be closed here. This way it will go on. Okay, now you have to fill up to 70 42. How you will fill? First, only you will add up efficiency, huh? A's efficiency is 7, B's efficiency is 6, again A's efficiency 7, B's efficiency 6. No need to do this all, huh? What you'll do, like for 1 minute 7 unit are filled for 1 minute. For 2 minutes 7 plus 6 13 unit is filled. That means I can write 2 minute equal to 13 unit filled. Okay, so you have to reach 42, huh? Not more than 42. So if I multiply here 3, so I'll get 3 3 9 200 39 unit. How here also you have to multiply 3. That means 6 minute you can do this way manually. 7 6 7 6 7 6, altogether you will get 39 in 6 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute. Clear na? Now how much left remaining? Remaining is 3 unit. So this 3 unit will be filled by whom? Now who will come? Now A will come. So A efficiency is 7. So you'll write this way 6 minute. How much remaining? 3. And who will come? 7. Clear na? This way, huh? So you can write 6 3 by 7 minute. It will require 6 3 by 7 minute to fill this cistern. Clear? You might be getting confusion here, huh? Look, if it would have been here the difference it would have been 7. Suppose, then obviously who will come 7, A will come, and A is having 7 unit, 7 efficiency, so that time it will be 7 minute, 6 minute plus 1 minute, but here the difference is 3. So whole day, or I mean to say whole minute, the 1 minute you cannot use A because it will overflow, because you need only 3 unit, but you have 7, you can fill 7 minute in 1 minute, 7 unit in 1 minute, so that's why you'll write how much you'll write, 6 minute 39, so 6 minute, you got it. How much remaining, 3 unit, so 3, and who will come next, A will come, so A's efficiency 7 7. Clear na? Let's solve this one. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Okay, a, a pump, let the A be the pump, in 2 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it takes this much to fill the tank. Okay, so A will what fill it, but there is a leak. Because of the leak, it takes this much hours. It will take less hour na, to fill the pump. You can write this as improper fraction, 3 to the 6 7 7 by 3 hours. Now you check the LCM. Avoid this denominator. Now you avoid this denominator. This is 14. Total work is 14 unit. And efficiency of A is 2 7 ja 14, and 7 2 ja 14. But that 2 you have to multiply with this 3. That is 6. So efficiency of this. Look, A efficiency is 7. Total A and leak efficiency is 6. So what you'll place here? You have to place here -1. Because leak na it's minus. So look, 7 minus 1 is 6. So it's written, it is asked that the leak can empty the tank in how much time? The leak can empty this tank in total unit of work by leaks efficiency, that is 14 hours. It will take 14 hours to empty the tank. This is simple interest. Simple interest only one formula, that is simple interest equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Clear? If they ask principal, you'll bring this here and bring P and RT here. If they ask rate, you'll bring this PT here and 100 there. Clear what I'm saying? Like they'll give everything, only one will be asked. Clear? So this is simple interest. But if they ask amount, what you'll do, you'll bring out simple interest and you'll add up principal plus simple interest. Clear na? Okay, look, simple interest on this much, that means this is principal is 16250 at 8%. So this is percentage, rate is 8% per annum, for 73 days. So time is 73 days. Is you have to find out simple interest. So simple interest is equal to principal rate 73 days time by 100, always down 100. But one thing you have to add up here, what you have to include here, what this time will be always in years. If it is in month, you have to convert it into year. If it is in day, you have to convert it into year. So how you will convert these days into year? You will divide this in by you'll divide this by 365, not leap year. 365 will be sufficient for this. Now just cancel it. This is gone. 5 you can 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 1 2, 5 2 is 10, 25, 5 5. And then here also 5 2 is, then again 2 4 is, again 5 5 5 7 is 35, 1 5 3 is 15, 5 5 6 is 30, 65. This 75 73 73 you can cancel, and you will have how much, 22 24 25 26 26. 260 will be the simple interest. If they ask amount, you will add up this plus this. Next, at what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be double in this much? Okay, look, a certain sum is there, like this is the sum, will be double. Huh? At what rate will be double in 15 years? So you have to find what rate. Huh? So here simple interest, and what you have to write simple interest. Here what it's given, at what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be double. Will be double, that means 2p will be 2p double. Huh? Now this is principal, this will be twice p. So this is what simple interest or amount. This is amount, clear na? This is amount because a sum will be double. It's not written here that simple interest will be double. Huh? It is written that at what rate of the simple interest a certain sum will be double. That means this is amount. You have to understand the question. Huh? So if amount is 2p, then what will be SI? SI will be amount minus principal. That is 2p minus p will be p. So you will write here p. Now cancel this, bring 100 here, bring 15 here, and you will have r. So how much? 5 3 ja 520 ja. So 20 by 3%, that is 20 by 3% will be 3 6 ja 18, and then 2 by 3%, 6 2 by 3%. See, this is compound interest. Okay, compound interest is interest on interest, clear na? So you have some formula like amount equal to principal 1 plus rate by 100 to the power time. This is one formula. Or you can do, some compound interest is amount minus principal. Or you can do in ratio also. How? Let me show you. I'll solve it two ways. Okay, the compound interest on this much, that means this is the principal for 2 years, that is time, this is rate. You have to find the compound interest. Let me first solve this way. Amount, let me first find out amount. This 1 plus rate is 8, time is 2, 8 1 is 825. So here you'll have 2000. This is 1 125 2. You'll have this one as 26 by 25 square. So 26 into 26, 25 into 25. No. Here I have done mistake. 4 2 ja 8, 425. So here you'll have 2. Here you'll have 27. Here you'll have 27 into 27. Here you will get something. This is amount. Now you will multiply, you will minus subtract 2000 from this amount. You will get the compound interest. Clear na? 27, how much is 27 square? 27 into 27, 7 into 49, 4, 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 7 to the 14, 1 k 2 to 4, 5, here 9, 8, 9, 9, 12, 1, 5, 6, 7. So you'll have 2000, here 625, here 729. Okay, you'll have this way, you'll have, and then minus 200, you'll get the compound interest if you minus 2000. If you minus 2000, this is one way. Or else you can do this way. Take this interest 8%, you can write by like 8 by 100, then you can cancel it. 8 4 2 ja 4, 25 ja. So here 25, here 25 plus 2 is 27. Since 2 years, that's why you square it. 25 into 25, 625. 27 into 27, just now we have done the 729. Clear? So this is the principal, this is the unit, but this unit is principal. Now you have to find how much will be this. This is ratio method, huh? Clear na? Like 2000, how you'll find? Oh, no need to find this one. Look, where is the dust? This is the amount, amount. No need to find amount. You need only the difference. So this is 4, because difference amount minus principal is compound interest. So 4, 4, yes, 4, and this is 104. You need 104. Like 2000 is 625. You need 104. Yeah, you can divide with 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 5. This is 5400. 525 ja 580 ja 5 5 ja 5 1 ja 5, 5 16 ja. This you multiply, and then you multiply 2, and here also 2. This is 32. So your answer will be 10432. 4 2 ja 8, 400, 2 1 ja 2, and 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3. You will have 3 3. This is 2, this is 8. Your answer will be 332.8. It was not that calculative. I did it calculative, huh? Just don't get confused, huh? You'll use this formula, and then you minus this minus principal, you'll get compound interest, or you use this way. Just you take this one, this percentage, you'll make it this way. This plus this will be the amount. They have a compound interest, so minus, what is this one. If this is if principal is this much, then how much is 104? Clear? This is percentage, huh? Let us solve this. It is known that 20% of the mangoes are rotten. If the number of rotten mangoes is 35, then the total number of mango is, okay, so here it's given, it is known that 20% of the mango are rotten if the number of rotten mangoes is 35. Okay, look, here it's given directly, here it's given 35 mangoes are rotten, which is 20%. What was the total number of mangoes? You have to just make it 100%. So if you multiply with 5, you'll get 100%. You multiply with 5, you'll get how many mangoes? 5 5 is 25. 2 carry 5 3 is 15, 16 17, 175 will be the answer. Here also same way, when the price of onion is when the price of onion is decreased by 25%, it becomes this much per kilo. What was the previous price? Look, before it was 100%, now it is decreased by 25, so here it is 75%. Clear? 75%. So 75% is 48 per kg. So what will the 100%? You can write this way: 48 rupees per kg is 75. You need 100% value. So 25 4 ja 25 3 ja 3, again you divide this, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. So you'll have 24, 2 carry 4 4 5 6, 64 rupees per kilo. Before it was 64 rupees per kilo. Now after reducing 25%, it is 48 rupees per kilo. This is chapter called LCM and HCF. Okay, the least number which when diminished by 5 is divisible by each one of these. Look, a number is there. It's suppose the number is 12. Suppose the number is 12. Here it's written that if you minus 5, you'll get how much? How much? 7. This 7 is divisible by these also. Okay, I've taken a very small number, but Okay, this is the number, suppose this is the number. So this should be multiplied by this, divisible by this. How you will find that number? You will, first of all, you will take this LCM, these all numbers LCM. Let us take this LCM. This is 21, 28, 36, and 45. Okay, so to take LCM, you know how to take LCM. At least 2 or more than 2 should be divisible by that number, huh? Like if I take 2, you can divisible by it is divisible 28 by 2 and 36 by 2. So 2 14 ja, 2 56 and 18 ja. This is odd number, this is odd number. Now let us take again, you can take 2, 2 sevens, 2 nines. Now 2 is not possible. Let us take some big number, like you can take 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Here you have 9, here you have 45. Again you can take 3 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 3 15 ja. Again you can take 3 3 1 1 1 5 ja. So here 1 5 is there, huh? So how much will be the answer? Means LCM. 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28. Keep this 28 here. 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. 45, 45. Multiply this. 40, 4 carry, 32, 33, 34, 36, 36. And then you'll have here 0 1 4 2 ja 8 9 9 0 6 9 10 11 12 2 1. This is the number, but after diminishing 5, that means you have to add 5. You have to add 5. 1 2 6 5 will be the answer. Clear now? You have added 5 because after diminishing only those are divisible. Clear now? So you have to add 5 here. Next one. If the ratio of three number, is this, and the LCM is this much, then the smallest number is, look, this is 3x, this is 4x, this is 5x. Take the LCM of this. LCM, you will take the common one only once. You'll take common. What is common? X is common, only one. And what are left? You have to take all those. How much will be the LCM here? 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60, so 60x. But here given LCM value also, like 1200. Okay, so is 10 cancel, 10 cancel, 6 2 ja 12. Okay, so x value you got 20. What they've asked, the smallest number is this one, so 3x into 3, so 60 will be the answer. If they would have asked the greater number, then you'll find 5x. X is 20, 5 20 ja 100. So let us solve this one. This is geometry part. Okay, if the diagonal of a rhombus, first of all you should know what is rhombus, what is square, what is circle, what is triangle. All these formulas you should know. Perimeter, circumference, everything. I'll teach you. In next class I'll teach you. This is rhombus. Rhombus is what? All sides are same, but it should not be square. Square is this, na? The diagonal also same, but rhombus is little bit tapped here, like it is of this shape. This is one diagonal. This is one diagonal. One diagonal is large and one diagonal is smaller. Okay. One more figure is this. What is this? This is not rhombus. This is trapezium. Let us do this one. Rhombus. Okay, I have taken one rhombus. One diagonal is 8 and one is 6. So 8, let us take this big large one, 8. This is 8 centimeter and the smaller one is 6 centimeter. Square of its side. So first of all you have to find side. All sides are same, so only one side you can bring out, and then you have to square that side. Look, What you'll use? You'll use Pythagoras theorem. You know Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse equal to root over perpendicular square plus base square. Clear na? Huh. Look, this is 6. So half will be 3. Let me take here. So this was 6. This will be 3. This was 8. This will be 4. Clear na? So if this is the hypotenuse, the larger this is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. So if you put here, this is triplet. Here it will be 5. Triplet. But still, let me show you. This is 4. This is 3. So if you put here 4, 4, 4 just 16. I mean yes, 4, 4 16, and 3, 3 just 9. Here it's 25, and this is 5. Hypotenuse is 5. So they have asked this a square. So a square will be 25 answer. 25 centimeter square will be the answer. Clear na? Next, if the side of a triangle are in the ratio, this is also a triplet, huh? Then the larger angle is, look, suppose this is one triangle. Here one is 3x, one is 4x, one is 5x. You know some of the triangle angle of some of the angles of the triangle will be 180 degree. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12x will be 180 degree. So you can cut this 6 2 ja 6 3 ja 15. So x is 15. They've asked larger angle. Larger angle is 5x. So 5x will be 75 degree. If they would have asked smaller angle, you'll bring this one. You'll make this one 6x. This is 6. Oh, sorry, 3x. 3 into 15 will be 45 degree. Will be the answer. Okay. Oh, listen. Here they have a given side, huh? If they would have given, if the angle of a triangle, angles of a triangle, then this will be the answer. Since they have given sides, so side is this, huh? So look, one is 3x, one is 4x, one is 5x. This is triplet, as I've shown you here only. Here I have shown you na triplet. This is hypotenuse, one is base, one is perpendicular. Clear na? So if this is triplet, that means obviously you'll have 190 degree. You'll have 190 degree, and this is the greatest side because this is smaller than 90. This is also smaller than 90. So answer will be 90 degree. Okay, be careful with the words. Okay, what's written between the lines. Next, the area of a square field is this much. The length of its diagonal is, okay. Look, we know that this is square. Square area is length into length. That means side square. If they would have asked rectangle for area, then we would have told this way: length into breadth is area. Length into breadth. But here length and breadth are same sides. Okay, same measurement. So that's why a square you can write. Huh? So a square is 6050. Okay, let me do here. Here let me do. Huh? So area is given 6050. Let us bring out a. So to bring a, you have to find the factors of this. I can wipe up this one. Na? So 6050 2 3025. Again, wait, 5 6 7 8 9 10 5 5 6 ja 30 0 5 5. Again, wait, 5 5 1 ja 5 5 2 ja 10 5 1 ja 5, then 11 11. Look, what you have twice. 11 we have twice, 5 we have twice. That means how much square 5 11 ja 55 root 2, because 2 you have here, so root 2 will be a. If a square is this much, a will be 55 root 2. Clear na? 55 root 2. Huh? So they have asked what? The length of the diagonal. Here, the length of the diagonal is, you have to remember the formula. That is what? That is diagonal area is a root 2. A root 2, huh? Always side root 2. So here a root 2 diagonal equal to a root 2. A you have 55 root 2 and you will have 1 root 2 from here from formula. So root 2 into root 2 is 2, like root 3 into root 3 is 3, so root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 55 into 2 will be 110 centimeter. Meter, it's meter, huh? Clear na? 110 meter.